It was great having you here. It's been a great time.
It's
been intense.
Yes, oh my gosh.
We have been, I can't believe we've been shooting so much. Spent an entire day outside in the forest. It's like, nature is calling.
I'm a tree. All right, thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Welcome to Stockholm.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, no, no.
Damn you, Peter. Damn you. So there's this one thing that I'm noticing about Sweden. Everyone is really, really nice. I'm honestly really surprised with how sweet everyone is over here. For example, on the train over here, it took like 3.5 hours, and 2 of those 3.5 hours, I was talking to this lovely man about so many things, about business and entrepreneurship and investing and YouTube, and it was such a great conversation. And then at the end of it, I had to find my hotel, so he asked like a woman that he didn't know, and she started helping me as well, and I was like, this would not happen in the Netherlands. Like, this is so great. So during this trip, because I've had so many positive experiences with so many different people, I'm like, maybe I should just move here. I honestly wouldn't mind. Like, if someone told me go move to Sweden, I probably would. You see that? We're going there.
Hey, good morning. How are you? I have
Yes.
a visitor badge for you.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Julia, and I'm Nina for Bambi.
Oh, hi.
Hi, nice to meet
Hi,
you.
nice to meet you.
Yes, let's pinch Silvio, but I can show you up.
This is really nice. So many buttons, so many things to click on. Like, what does this do? So we don't have a softbox, so how are we fixing this?
I've taped 2 paper arcs, A3s, and we're just gonna tape this bad boy right here.
Wow. This is how you know you're hanging out with a creative. Like, we can fix anything, we're problem solvers. Thank you so much for your time. I cannot wait to see how the video turns out. Where can people find you?
First of all, thank you. I will be releasing music early next year with the name Lil Hush.
On Epidemic Sound, so make sure you check that out. Okay, one shoe down, another one to go. Where are we going, my manager?
We are going to the kitchen.
First food. Haven't eaten all day.
Hello people, welcome to the Silvio show. It's the Silvio takeover on the Lila channel.
You brought on the Lila channel.
Lila.
You're my manager.
I
and
know.
You just...
It's funny because I actually never say Lila, but I've spent the day with people saying that because they didn't mispronounce and it got stuck in my head.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Food.
Yes, you have time to make kittens.
Oh, I was gonna go to the cat cafe today.
Oh, sure.
I don't know if I still have time for that. What kind of sauce did you get? Did you get a sauce?
I didn't get a sauce.
What?
I've made mistakes. And this is by far the worst one.
Oh my god.
Look at this.
What?
So this is 3 different kinds. This is the classical one, the cinnamon bun. And then we have the one that I prefer, the cardamom. And then we have the Christmas version, which is like saffron and sugar. I believe it's delicious.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you deserve it. You deserve some sweet. It looks so beautiful when you have so much on a plate, right?
Yes.
Also like semi-classic, but like cinnamon is like the one.
Yeah, I'm really sad because they don't usually make like vegan ones.
We need to leave because the sun is going down, but Silvio is nowhere to be found. Is he there? What are you doing? We have to go.
Did you fix the card?
Yes, and I'm keeping the card.
Okay.
Okay. Do you think we're gonna make it? before before the sun is set?
Yeah, I don't know. To be honest, I think you'll still be a good shot and you'll still be light enough.
Yeah. Ooh, the white balance.
Oh, my bad. I just. Finds a camera line.
Okay, so I'm at the office and I just saw this sign. Ooh la la. And I was like, how fun would it be if it said, ooh, Lila? Right? That's actually really good. Was the wait, okay. 2021.
We'll keep this.
Yes. Definitely keep that. You know, I film like so much and then I use like 20%.